I never shared my entire story with you, or the big reason why I make videos, or why I do what I do at all. I never set out to own a paint brand. And when I decided to take the opportunity that was given to me, I made a promise that DIY Paint would be more than just selling products. It would be a company that encouraged and supported small businesses like mine. 2 weeks ago, I went to Zanesville, Ohio to be part of a paint class at Girl Upcycled Studio. I went to encourage others, but I was the one who left encouraged and inspired by Kelly and the women who came to class. This is a story about what it's like to run a creative business and an inside look at what it really takes to succeed. Your dreams, whatever they may be, matter. My hope is that something in this video will help you get a step closer to it. I made a promise to post a video every Wednesday. This is one of those Wednesdays where the video could be a hot mess. Every time I get on a plane, I end up sick when I get back. And this is the third time I've been sick in 3 months. It's gonna take some supernatural intervention to help me finish this video. I went to Zanesville, Ohio to visit Kelly Weiler of Girl Upcycled. And it's this beautiful, picturesque, old town with historic buildings. It was this big industrial building with big windows and high ceilings, and it was very industrial chic. And so I was super excited to see her and her store that runs up against the river, and then there's bridges and there's mountains, and it was just like it looked like on Facebook. Dion, Kelly, and I have all seen our businesses grow and survive through the power of video on social media. We wanted this class to be about encouraging others to share their ideas through creativity and video. All three of us are introverts that found a way to overcome the fear of being in front of the camera. Our hope is to share our tips with you so that you can unlock the power of video. We were supposed to go live after dinner. And Dion is like, okay, you guys, let's get ready, let's go. All four of us, we're gonna go live simultaneously. I don't need to go. It's gonna be really hectic if all four of us are going live at one time. I'll just go live with you guys for your channels, but I don't need to do it for mine. I didn't want to do it, and I make excuses for not getting in front of the camera all the time. And Dion looked at me, Debbie, hand me your phone. And she puts it in the tripod, and it won't fit because the tripod's broken. I'm like, see, there you go. And the next thing you know, Matt is over there and he's duct taping my phone. God, okay. Sometimes you just don't feel like it.
We are on Debbie's Design Diary on YouTube. We are on Kanish Chic on Facebook. We are also with Girl Upcycled Studio on Facebook.
I made a promise to go live every Friday, and it wasn't so much about was I gonna do it or not, it was about keeping my commitment. So we're live in Ohio. We're gonna teach a class tomorrow morning, and we're gonna paint a canvas, right, Dion?
Yes, this canvas right behind us.
If you're a small business, the thing that sets you apart from a big box store is this right here, the ability to connect with you and to talk to you directly. That is why Kelly has survived in her small town.
If you see us looking around, I just want you to understand.
We're live my camera is actually being held up with painter's tape.
With painter's tape and more mat behind you.
It's the social media, it's connecting one-on-one. Dion just painted over my signature.
Oh my God, I wasn't ready for signage.
When you create a sense of community, you're building something real. Kelly and her family grew up in Zanesville, and they have watched it change. There are so many beautiful buildings that are empty or dilapidated because of drugs and other challenging circumstances.
Like, people on drugs and things like that. So the community, a lot of us that have businesses here are we're just trying to get it back and revive it.
It takes me a long time to say what I feel. It's like everything I say rubs the wrong way, and what I don't say pushes you away. I can't win.
Kelly and many others have been working hard to revitalize Zanesville. They have a strong artist community, many events, and Kelly attributes much of her success to social media.
Why did I even start doing Facebook Live or any lives for that matter? What went through my mind other than just desperation as a small business? You're looking around and you're seeing all of these large companies come in and they're taking over our little towns. You're seeing all of the online stores. These small towns are the ones that are getting hit the hardest. I'm the last person that you would have ever thought would be on any of the lives. What can I do online to make myself a presence? If you do not put yourself at least out there, you don't have a chance.
I got back home and I thought about all that I had learned in Ohio. I thought about my own store and how video had saved it and me. Every week I share tips in the private Facebook group I run just for DIY retailers. I want to share some of those clips with you. You're struggling hard and feeling like, why haven't I learned this already? It's really easy to get down on yourself. As I'm talking to the camera yesterday, in my head, here's what's going on. You suck. This isn't good. It's obvious that you're going to put this in your computer and you're not going to like it. Why can't you do this, Debbie? How long is it going to take you to learn this? I literally just beat myself up over it. When you get in places like that, you just really have to be kind to yourself. It's okay to just suck sometimes. Delete, delete, delete. That was bad. That was bad. That was bad. You just do your best and you just forgive yourself and you accept the fact that it's not going to be what you want it to be all of the time. Most people in the world are never going to go live. They don't want to get in front of the camera. So the small percentage that do, that's less competition, especially as you get older. Nobody's going to want to see me. I don't look like Joanna Gaines. I have this, I have that. I need to lose weight. My roots are showing. Most of the world is not perfect. There are women out there that look like you, that dress like you, that talk like you, and they need you to wave the flag for them and encourage them.
Call anytime you need me, and I'm gonna find you.
If you would like to know more about how to use video and storytelling to build your business, stay tuned to the end because I have a special announcement.
I'll be someone you can trust. I'm right behind you. And I'm on your side, and I wanna see you fly. But you gotta make up your mind, and don't you let another day pass you by. Don't wait for tomorrow.
After the class was over, we talked about what was next and came up with a plan to teach again this spring in McKinney, Texas. If you want to know more about how to build your business with video and learn a few paint tricks too, meet us there. The details are linked below.
All the life that still lies deep inside.
Very first time I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go live. It was more like this: I can't go live. I can't do that kind of stuff. Why would I ever want to do that? And what's the point of doing that? How is it really going to help me? I remember going through that for months and months and months. In fact, the very first time I went live, it was 30 seconds, nothing came out of my mouth. The sweat, the everything, just, it didn't happen. It was 6 months before I tried again. So I do understand where you're coming from. I do understand why you think you can't do it, or why you're not cut out for it, or how that's for other people and it might not be for you. But years later, I go live every day, multiple times. It just becomes like second nature. And I want you to understand the value of doing video, of putting yourself out there, because you deserve it. You 100% deserve to grow your business and become everything that you want to be. Reach the goals, do the things, those scary things. Keep doing them. Keep doing them. They're not that scary. I want you to realize your worth and your value, and that you deserve the life that you want.
Just a hug you? You won Debbie's piece.
Our next event will be in Texas on March 21st with Kara of Kara's Color Me Vintage. Space is limited. Click the link below to get your tickets now.
Sometimes I've been scared to put myself out there. Sometimes I just don't want to. Sometimes I don't want to put my makeup on. It's hard, but the benefits that I received are enormous. The business growth has been fantastic, but most of all, what I learned is that I have a message and I have a story to tell. I learned that I can connect with people, and there's people that want to be inspired by what I do.
I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change, come on.
Find out more about DIY paint or to sell it in your store. Click the link below. Thanks for watching.
And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good.